Hey, how's it going? My name is Mike Sibley, a GDI affiliate, and I'd like to take a few moments to talk to you about how to get off to a fast start with GDI. Now, let's say you've just signed up with GDI. Maybe you've taken advantage of the 7-day free trial, and you're wondering what's the most effective way to get started with GDI. My tip is to get organized. GDI is a business, and you have to treat it as such. And any business really needs to be very organized and focused in order to be successful. Now, what I suggest specifically is that you create a folder on your computer and label it something like GDI Success or GDI Tips or what have you. Name this folder and then save it to your documents folder. That way you could easily remember where it's at and access it when you need it. Next, you'll go to your notepads application and open that up and create a notepad and save it as GDI Tips. Then what you want to do is move that notepad into your GDI folder. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you could search YouTube for how to move files and folders and whatnot. But what you want to do is move that notepad into your GDI folder. Now, what you want to do on this notepad is to save all important links and websites and passwords and user names on this document, because number one, it'll help you stay focused. If you're signing into certain websites that you signed up for, you can easily access your username, your password, and more importantly, as far as GDI, one link you definitely want to save so you can copy and paste it is your GDI affiliate link, which is www.website.ws/ whatever your username that you signed up with GDI is. For me, that would be www.website.ws/MBS Unlimited. With this link, it'll take you back to the promotional video and all the other things that you can use to promote your GDI business, videos, testimonials. So you'll definitely want to have this URL, your GDI affiliate link, somewhere on your computer where you can easily find it so you can copy and paste it when you're doing Facebook ads, posting on free classified websites, and other social media sites. So you definitely want to have this handy. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is go over to Google and search for the term make money online. And then once you search for this, select images, and that will show you images of people and situations where you make money online, people smiling, being successful, flashing cash. You definitely want to save these images to your GDI folder. So what you want to do is right click on the image once you clicked on the image, and then save as, and then you save it in your GDI folder. Now collect several of these images, as many as you feel like doing in one sitting. And what this will do for you is that you'll have success images, make money online, work at home type images that you can use for your blog post when you're posting on Facebook or other social media sites. See, ads without photos or blogs without photos, they don't do as well, and it doesn't capture the attention of people when they look at your postings. So you'll have immediate access to these success images already saved on your folder. So when you're placing an ad online, let's say a Facebook post or a Facebook ad, go to your folder, select one of those images that you can use. And that will definitely add more appeal to your photos and your blog posts, your free classified ads. When you're posting on there, you need to have very clear, positive images. So creating a folder on your website, on your desktop somewhere, having a notepad where you save all your important links, passwords, and usernames, so you can have this information readily available to you. Doing this will keep you organized, focused, and very productive. Now, in the upcoming videos, I will definitely go more into how to get off to a fast start by using free classified ads, Facebook and other social media sites, as well as paid ads. So for now, I'd like you to like, share, and subscribe if you found this information important, and stay tuned for more important information on how to get off to a fast start with GDI. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and I will definitely see you in the next video.